Pangolin Photo Safari is a very special company. It's a company set up by photographers for photographers. We quite often find a lot of professional photographers that make use of us just as a platform or as a base, and the normal tourist industry that just wants to be in this amazing location and get the opportunity to take some pictures. So from pro to absolute novice, there's a space for everyone. We are based in Kasane. We're doing our photographic safaris on land-based as well as water-based into the Chobe National Park, which is, as you know, paradise for photography. We accommodate the people all over Kasane, the town closest to the Chobe National Park. Sometimes people prefer very luxurious accommodation. Sometimes people prefer camping, you know, your self-drive market. Whichever, whatever, we accommodate them, whatever suits their need. Pangolin Photo Safaris is giving a guest or your general tourist the opportunity to use a camera that we supply. We give them a proper camera and we give them some hints and tips, and they can come and experience photography, be a wildlife photographer for a day and see how difficult it actually is to get that shot, and it's a very satisfying experience getting that great shot. With Pangolin we've got a bunker, we like to call it the elephant bunker. It's a sunken hide, wonderful location. It's at a waterhole that all the elephants are very used to having the water pumped on a daily basis, and nice fresh sweet water. It's a bunker that you actually walk underground in a tunnel all the way towards the waterhole. Right at the waterhole we've got the hide itself that you can sit, relax with comfortable chairs that can be adjusted up and down. There's also an area where you can put your tripod as well as your mount, your super clamp, and mount your own mount that fits there. And then you literally are at ground level waiting for the elephants to come. It's just such a wonderful feeling having that total different perspective, being literally at ground level as the elephants approach you. Our boat is custom built for photography. It's quite a complicated situation. Eventually we managed to get a boat that's just perfect. A very stable hull, nice and flat, so you can have a very stable platform to work with. And then from there there's chairs that can turn 360 degrees. You can adjust your camera that's mounted right in front of you on your chair up and down to suit every person's build and size and style. A wonderful thing about our boat, it can go very, very shallow. We don't need deep water. We can get very close to certain animals, while keeping our respect, of course. But the animals on the river is very used to the boats, so we can approach them nice and quietly and get very close to them. Chobe is an absolute birders paradise. It's just ridiculous. You know, you come here and you can look in every direction and there's species everywhere. One of the most well-known birders places in the world, and we proud ourselves saying that we're getting quite close to the birds. We know the birds very well, and for photography there's no better platform. We make use of local guides that's been on this river basically all their life. The boat drivers as well as the vehicle drivers, they know all the little crooks and crannies and where to find what. The knowledge is also amazing. Every single bird, every single animal, they know inside out. Photography point of view, I'm on the boat or the vehicle every single trip, and I'm always there, and I love to give some hints and tips. And at the end of the day we are a whole big family, and we can learn from each other, and that makes you a very satisfying feeling at the end of the day, having that great shot. We've got a truck, or a Unimog as we like to call it. It's a German 4x4 beast of a vehicle, and we can literally go anywhere. There's no area that we can't go to, and the wonderful thing is we are quite nice and high. You're almost on eye level with some bird species, and then of course if there's a very popular sighting of cats or something like that, there's no other vehicle in your way. You literally park next to them and you shoot over their head. And in the truck we make use of fixed beanbags. There's beanbags on different heights, and you know, because the truck is nice and spacious, people can literally walk from left to right, so it doesn't matter what side the sighting is, and you rest your camera on this pre-set beanbags. It works like a charm. You have to come and join Pangolin Photo Safaris. First of all, there's no limit in your experience. From novice to professional photographers, there's a place for everyone, and you can live out your photography. We're not there militaristic, tell you how to and what to, but we would love to give you some hints and tips and some pointers that you might use. And then, you know, having an amazing boat perfectly designed for photography, a vehicle that's the vehicle out there, and then the underground bunker or the elephant bunker that's absolutely magnificent. At the end of the day, you sit with a very good package that you can literally go and get proper shots taken out there.